Hey everyone, welcome back. This is part 7 in the pen tool series. I just wanted to ask you, have you ever seen your pen tool do this? And if you have and you didn't know how to fix it, that's what we're going to cover in this tutorial. So let's set up our swatches. We want to do a black stroke and we want no fill, which it looks like we're already set with that. So let's grab our pen tool and recreate this whole scenario. Let's grab this pen tool and left mouse click here. And then one here, and you know from previous videos that it's going to want to create a straight line next, and you also know that if we want a curve we should follow it back to the anchor point until the cursor turns into an anchor point tool, which is that little caret sign in the bottom right. So left mouse click there and then drag out your handle, and now let go and you'll have your curve. Left mouse click again, and then one here and one here. And here's where the problem comes in, right here. Because there is already an anchor point in that spot, it wants to delete it, and you know that because there is a minus sign for the cursor in the bottom right corner. So to fix that, we're going to hold down the shift key, and it's going to let us lay an anchor point over top of an anchor point. So just left mouse click with the shift key held down, and now you're able to lay that path, and then come down here and we'll add an anchor point. And you'll see that when we come over here, same thing, it wants to delete it. Hold down the shift key, left mouse click, and hit the enter key to get the blue line to stop from following us, and then come over here and same thing, it wants to delete this anchor point. Hold down the shift key, left mouse click, come over here, and you'll see a new symbol now. It is the join add to an existing path symbol, or cursor they're calling it, and it basically means that this last line that we're laying that was not part of the original path will now be a part of the original path. So we can left mouse click, and you'll see no blue line tries to follow us around because that shape is complete. And we can check over here in the layers panel to see, yes, it is all one shape. So there you go. That completes this tutorial. Thank you for watching, and hope to see you in the next video.